What's up, guys? It's me again, birthday in the video. Hello, welcome to my channel, guys. I hope today I have a coke right now. It's I'm doing do not burp challenge. Yes, it's from my title, from my video. How the longest coke I've ever seen. Are you ready? Yeah. Please hit that like, subscribe. It's a little post notification. So comment down. Are you done? Hit the comment coke in this video. Enjoy your coke. Diet coke. Yeah. Wow. A little too quick. Alright. I enjoy. Oh, good. Sorry, I just didn't have to burp. Really, thank you so much. I have to tell for you guys is do not sue. Oh, Bob. Yeah, Bob Soda Challenge. It's a little funny. Yeah, so drop it, the like, subscribe. Please watch it for you all. Just that. I am out, guys.